Hello everybody and welcome to our channel Salsa and Bachata Moves. I'm Alexandros, with me is Andrea. We're from the Island of Cyprus, and here this is a video where we break down without music the puzzle hands. It's an advanced move. It will take some practice, but please just take 1/8 of something and put it in your social life and enjoy it. If you like to see it with music after the lesson, check the link in the info cards and the first link in the description. Let's get started with the puzzle hands. Okay, first off, it's not very difficult. We start by taking pressure on 5 with the lady. That tells her she's going to turn towards her left. 6, 7, she finished her turn. Now lower the right hand in 1, 2, 3 over la cabeza. The lady has to be advanced enough to keep that connection. Then on 5, guys, we bring this foot back and we wear it over like a t-shirt. And on 6 and 7, we have to do one turn when the lady's hand is here. Let's do that slow. You can rewind it, of course, but I like to be thorough. And 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, all day. Now right here your hand is touching, so you can do a little circle. 1, 2, 3, you throw, you ask for the other one on 5, bring the lady back on 6 and 7, and she's facing the other direction. Now here's the tricky puzzle hands. Without her moving, you have to grab on the wrist, not on her hand, on the wrist. Put your hand here, throw the hand behind and catch it with the same. At the same time, you swivel the lady in this direction, so you prepare, and then you push, push, push to go all the way to the neck. Then we prepare back with the shoulder. Here you can play around by lifting up your legs to make it look more stressful, and we have to do a triple or a double turn. Again, when they're slow, they're a bit more difficult. So I think from here, so we're going to take it from here. We have 1, 2, 3, grab the lady, 5, 6, and 7. The lady steps, 1, 2, 3, you swivel, 5, 6, all the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I did one more, sorry. Here, straight away, we go for a mimo, which means petting, like a petting zoo. So we put this over, 1, 2, and we grab with the elbow. Try not to grab with the armpit, stinky, sweaty in there. And then we lead the lady cross-body lead by letting go of the hand behind the back and bringing the other one outside. And from here we can go circle, 2, pass it 3, prepare on 5 and grab with your left, turn her once and turn together. Notice, guys, I put my right foot behind so I coordinate that with. Here is a little tricky part. Right after you do that turn, you have to go in straight away for 1, 2, 3. So you grab with the right. So it's a simple wear, or mimo, by going down 1, 2, 3, forward. You stop the lady, then 6 and 7 all the way back and hold it there. Now she's not going to expect to come forward, but you have to pull her to come forward. 1, 2, she starts turning. 3, you change the hand. She goes 5, 6, you change the hand again. 7, you come to a reverse hook. This is nice because now we're going to do a little unlocking. The hand goes 1, 2, 3. I'll do it again, and this time I'll zoom with the camera in the editing, so you can see from this complicated position, we're going from the outside hand of the lady, and we'll put it over. Then we'll give the lady a nice 5, 6, and 7, or 1, we can be a little bit more late for that. 1, 2, 3, push the lady, 5, 6, and 7. My hand goes circular and elbow back. The guys can also do a turn and go back into the basic along with the lady. And that's the combination, guys. Puzzle hands, advanced salsa move. Take it slow, learn something you like. You don't have to remember the whole combination. Just 1/8 and fuse it with your style. If you get from one of my combinations a little bit things, you will have your own personal combinations. Thank you for watching. Make sure you comment and rate. If you'd like to check our Patreon website where we get financial monthly support, thank you very much. Alexandros and Andrea from Cyprus. Bye bye.